welcome to Puro Counting Scale. In this presentation we are going to show you the interfaces of the scale. The interfaces can be found on the bottom of the scale under the cover. Remove the cover and now all interfaces are accessible. For demonstration purpose, we are going to place the scale on the weighing pen. Please don't do it in the normal case. The weighing system could be damaged. Here all three interfaces are visible. We see on the right side the D-sub connector for connection of second weighing platform. In the middle, the USB-C for connection of power supply and the charger, and the USB-A on the left side for connection of printer. The USB-C interface, normally used for the power supply, can be also used for connection between the scale and a PC. In this example, we are going to connect the power supply using the USB-C socket. This power supply is the part of the delivery of the scale. We can put the cable in the opening, and you see it is necessary to remove these parts to be able to close the cover. In our example, we firstly let the cover away. Now we can turn the scale around, place it on the cable, and in this position we will be able to connect the power supply. For example, to charge the battery. In this example, we are going to connect a printer. We lift the scale, or turn the scale around. Again, please don't use this position for your installation. Place the scale always on the side. We remove the cover, and the interfaces are visible again. For the printer connection, we are using the USB-A socket. Please consider this USB-A socket is actually RS-232 interface, and we are using special cable for the printer. It is actually not USB interface, but RS-232 interface, serial interface for the printer. Now the cable is connected, we can bring the scale in normal position, and the cable is now prepared for the connecting of the printer. Use the D-sub male connector, 9-pin, for the connection of the printer. The printer is now connected to the scale, but for the standard function we'll need additional power supply. Thank you very much for your attention.